Frequency of 162.55 MHz, and transmit from the KSTP television tower in St. Paul. The current time is 10 p.m. Central Standard Time.
Blizzard warning now in effect for portions of west central Minnesota through 4 a.m. Friday morning. The National Weather Service in Chanhassen has upgraded the winter storm warning to a blizzard warning for Yellow Medicine County on north through Douglas and Todd counties. Some cities in the blizzard warning include Canby, Montevideo, Appleton, Morris, Glenwood, Alexandria, and Long Prairie. North winds at 30 to 40 miles per hour, coupled with heavy snow, will cause blizzard conditions with near zero visibility across west central Minnesota into the early morning hours on Friday. Total snow accumulations will be in the 4 to 8 inch range, with considerable blowing and drifting occurring. A winter weather advisory is in effect until 4 a.m. Friday morning for much of central Minnesota. Some cities in the advisory area include Olivia, Litchfield, Wilmer, St. Cloud, Cambridge, and Mora. From 2 to 4 inches of snow may fall from Little Falls to Wilmer to Montevideo. An inch or so of snow is possible from Mora to Buffalo to Hutchinson. As temperatures drop this evening, wet surfaces will freeze, causing ice to reform. The wintry conditions tonight are due to a low-pressure system moving northward across eastern Minnesota tonight. In addition, winter storm warnings remain in effect for Friday and Friday night across west central and portions of central Minnesota as a second low-pressure storm system moves northward across Minnesota. A winter weather advisory remains in effect for the rest of central, east central, and south central Minnesota for Friday and Friday night, as well as for all of west central Wisconsin. Snow will develop across west central and portions of central Minnesota on Friday as a second low-pressure system arrives from the Central Plains. Another half-foot or better of snow is likely by Saturday morning in areas west from Little Falls to Litchfield to Redwood Falls. Increasing northwest winds Friday afternoon and evening will also lead to blowing and drifting. 1 to 4 inches of snow should accumulate across the remainder of southern and east central Minnesota Friday afternoon and night. It could begin with a period of sleet or freezing rain. Western Wisconsin will see a mix of freezing rain and sleet on Friday, which will turn to light snow Friday afternoon and evening. Winter weather advisories will begin at noon Friday. Now for the National Weather Service forecast for the Twin Cities metropolitan area. Overnight, cloudy. Areas of fog late in the evening. A chance of rain and light freezing rain late in the evening, then a slight chance of snow and patchy light freezing drizzle overnight. Lows 15 to 20. West winds 10 to 15 miles an hour. Chance of precipitation 40%. Friday, areas of fog in the morning. A slight chance of light freezing rain, snow and light sleet in the morning, and snow, light sleet and light freezing rain in the afternoon. Snow and sleet accumulation up to 1 inch. Ice accumulation around 1/10 of an inch. Highs 20 to 25. Northwest winds 5 to 10 miles an hour, shifting to the northeast 10 to 15 miles an hour in the afternoon. Friday night, colder, cloudy. A chance of snow and light freezing rain in the evening, then a chance of snow overnight. Low 0 to 5 above zero. South winds 10 to 20 miles an hour. Chance of precipitation 50%. New Year's Day, colder. Mostly cloudy. A slight chance of snow in the morning, then scattered flurries in the afternoon. Highs around 10 above. West winds 15 to 20 miles an hour. Chance of snow 20%. Saturday night, mostly cloudy in the evening, then becoming partly cloudy. Lows 5 below to zero. West winds 10 to 15 miles an hour. And now for the extended forecast. Sunday and Sunday night, partly cloudy. Highs around 10. Lows around 5. Monday and Monday night, mostly cloudy. A 20% chance of snow. Highs around 15. Lows around 5. Tuesday through Thursday, partly cloudy. Highs around 20. Lows around 5. Again, the forecast for the Twin Cities metropolitan area for overnight, cloudy. Areas of fog late in the evening. A chance of rain and light freezing rain late in the evening, then a slight chance of snow and patchy light freezing drizzle overnight. Lows 15 to 20. West winds 10 to 15 miles an hour. Chance of precipitation 40%. The following is a summary of watches, warnings and advisories in effect. For the Twin Cities metropolitan area, winter weather advisory has been extended until 4 a.m. Friday for the following county: Wright County, Minnesota. A winter weather advisory remains in effect from noon Friday until 6 a.m. Saturday for the following county: Wright County, Minnesota. A winter weather advisory remains in effect from noon Friday until 6 a.m. Saturday for the following counties: in Minnesota: Anoka, Carver, Chisago, Dakota, Goodhue, Hennepin, Ramsey, Rice, Scott, and Washington. A winter weather advisory remains in effect from noon Friday until 6 a.m. Saturday for the following counties: in Wisconsin: Pierce, Boken, St. Croix.
This is the Twin City Metropolitan Area Weather Radio Station, KEC65, serving a portion of east central Minnesota and west central Wisconsin. We broadcast from the National Weather Service Forecast Office in Chanhassen, Minnesota, on an assigned frequency of 162.55 MHz, and transmit from the KSTP television tower in St. Paul. The current time is 10:06 p.m. Central Standard Time.
At 10 p.m. in the Twin Cities, it was cloudy. It was 31 degrees, or -1 degree Celsius. The dew point was 28. The relative humidity was 89%. The wind was southwest at 18 miles an hour, gusting to 30. The wind chill was 19. The pressure was 29.36 inches and rising. Around the metro, it was cloudy. It was 34 at St. Paul, 36 at Blaine, 23 at Eden Prairie, 23 at Lakeville, and 36 at Lake Elmo. Around the state, at Brainerd, snow was falling with a temperature of 20. At Duluth, rain was falling with a temperature of 36. It was cloudy with a temperature of 33 at Rochester and 35 at St. Cloud. At International Falls, snow and fog were reported with a temperature of 9. Across the Dakotas, at Fargo, snow was falling with a temperature of 1. At Sioux Falls, it was cloudy with a temperature of 8. In Iowa, it was cloudy and temperatures were between 26 and 31 degrees. Around Wisconsin, at Madison, fog was reported with a temperature of 41. It was cloudy with a temperature of 48 at Milwaukee and 42 at Eau Claire. Once again at 10 p.m. in the Twin Cities, it was 31 degrees. The wind chill was 19. Under cloudy skies,